What was the most unexpected knock you got on your door? Two police officers with sober faces stared at me, and I knew the news couldn't be good. They described a car that had just been in an accident. The license plate matched my wife's car. There were no survivors, they said. My legs turned wobbly. You can't imagine what was going through my head. Because of the fire, they couldn't find any useful identification. They wanted a DNA sample from me. Can you imagine? They've just told you that your whole family is dead, and I told them I would come down and give them a sample. Getting ready to leave, my cell phone is buzzing. It's my wife. What? Hard tingles are on my spine like she's calling from the grave. Our van was stolen from the parking lot. Those were the sweetest words I could have ever heard.